Let's unbox this amazing vibration plate together. Join me. Then yes, it is for you. And I'll share all about the ways that you can incorporate it for your wellness, because friends, guess what? It's time to wake up, get some movement, and get your lymphatic system draining properly. Hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a vibration plate video, and I'll see you in the next one.